Hey guys! Whoa, that was awesome! Well, at least I hope that was awesome, because this is Quinder from the past. I haven't shot those videos yet, but I think it's going to be awesome. I'm just going to do the last things to, to close this thing up. I have all the guts still hanging out. As I said, I will encase the QuinLED-Dig-Uno driver controller board in Captain tape, which I've done. And this is the DC-DC converter. And I've also taken care of shortening all the cables to the length they need to be. And well, I looked for some thermal paste, and I seem to have, I love Noctua. So yeah, so I still have a few of these, and I think that will do just fine as thermal compound, which I will put over here and then try to fit it, screw it down, and see if it spreads evenly. So I'll show you some pictures of that, but that kind of brings me to the end of the scooter project. It's all done, it's all working, it all fit. And well, I think it looks awesome. So this video isn't going to be very long. This is basically just a showcase video of, well, very quickly what I stuffed inside. And if you want to see how I did it, watch the other videos in the series. I'll have those linked in the description. And if you have any dedicated questions or comments, the comments is where you should be. And well, I hope you enjoyed this series of, well, designing this together and getting it to work. And if it ever breaks down or something else goes wrong, I'll let you know in the future. But otherwise than that, thank you for watching, and here's some more nighttime footage of the scooter and the LEDs. Bye.